Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Terrence Ray, and I'm back at you with another update. Uh, we got right now, we're showing this is pre-market. The S&P 500 futures are up about a quarter percent, a little over quarter percent, 15 handles. The Nasdaq futures are up about 45 handles. The Dow futures are up 24 handles, and the Russell futures are up about 25 handles. We got the bonds up, the forward slash ZB is up. Forward slash ZN is up. Gold is up. The only thing that isn't up is oil. Oil is down a little bit over quarter percent, and we have gold up, and also Bitcoin is up. I got a chart right now up of the gold futures. Let's see if I put these drawings and put the so we can see. I've been talking about gold in the last couple videos. See, it broke out of this range, and look at the highs where we're at. So at this point, I don't have any levels for it. Um, it is overbought, just like everything else, though, and everything else is continuing to go up. Uh, so at this point, if you're holding gold, just know that you're in an overbought level. We're kind of like in crazy land now, and I'm gonna go over some stocks that's in crazy land. So I at this point, you know, it would be wise to take profits in a lot of this stuff. I don't know how long it's going to keep going. Nvidia is already up this morning. About let's see, it closed yesterday at 926.69, and it is currently trading at 953. And so one of the things about being on TastyTrade platform, so even though this is pre-market, it's already showing us a candlestick, what it will look like pre-market. And you can see it's off the highs of the pre-market. It actually pre-market, it made it all the way up to, let's see if I can pick it up over here in the corner. Look like it made it all the way up to around, well, it's not showing me the actual. I probably would have to take the go to show X, the overnight hours. But it's the high was right around, look like 955.82. So I do got it. Right? It 9 and I'm up here in the little corner panel where it's showing me the extended hours. So, and that's overnight and everything. So it got up to 955.82, and it is currently backed off a little bit. Now, what happened when the bell actually rings, this candlestick will adjust and turn to like one where you won't see the overnight. But I do like that for being able to look at stuff pre-market. So right now, it's up almost $30 from yesterday. It's just going crazy. I do have the next level in the video for me that I have, and it's right up here at 1,000, 1,030. It's crazy, but that's the level. That's what I have, and I think I got that on like a may have been a monthly. Let's see, may have been a monthly chart when I was looking at that where I picked that up. Yeah, so that's how I picked that up. I got a flag pattern on the monthly, and then you can see it broke out of there, and we got just continuing to go. So if I was in the video, which I'm not, I would be covering right around 1,030. These are insane levels. I'm gonna go take a look at. Let's go look at Coinbase. The next level up for Coinbase. If you've been paying attention, I've been calling these out, and every time it hit one, we get a wick. Look right here when it hit 231, wicked, wicked, even pull back and then jump right back up again. So my next one up from here on Coinbase is going to be right around 266. Now, I wouldn't, if you hold into there, this is no guarantee, but I've been pretty spot on. If you look at these lines where it's going and then making resistance and then turning that resistance, turning into support. We got the next level up right around 266. Excuse me, if you're holding profit, I probably would be covering right around 260. Um, that's the level for that. And also in the overall market, in the SPY, what was the expected move in the SPX this week? So, a couple things in the SPY. Let's go over that first. I got a level in the SPY, Fibonacci extension level of 518.19, right? We're currently trading at 516.50, right? That's about $2 away. Let's say, round it off. Let's say about $2 away. What is let's look at the expected move for today. Expected move for today is about $3.33. That'll put you right around 519, right? This is the thing, guys, because I'm looking at it right here. And this is probably what it is pretty much. It's gonna adjust when the market opens. You see this little ruler right here in the center of your screen. The expected move is being shown right here on the option chain by this ruler. And you see this ruler is right around in the mid 518. Now, don't that coincide with my Fibonacci extension right here? Also, if we take a look at the SPX, we'll see I got the expected move for the week is right up here, guys, right around 5,191. So all of these things, it's a confluence of information telling us right around the same area. I can imagine that you're going to have some intraday traders, some option traders right around in here covering even stock traders in the SPY. You can't trade stock in the SPX, but so right around this level is where I expect to see a heavy amount of resistance. And if the S&P 500 stalls right here, the rest of the market should stall right here. So if you're doing any day trading right here, in my opinion, that's your range. That is your range. Once you see the SPX, and you can see this is a pre-market candlestick. So we'll probably get a little bit of an up move when the bell rings, maybe half the day, and get up here around this target level. And then I expect the market to stall and slow for the rest of the day. I don't expect a whole lot. Uh, if I was day trading, I would be day trading in uh, coin. I think we're gonna get an up move there. What is the expect? Let's look at the expected move for Coinbase today, just so we know. At $10, that's a nice size move for a day. So that what that means is plus or minus $10, plus or minus $10.30 from where it's currently at. So it can go up 10 or down 10. That would be a normal range for today. Nvidia expected move is $34.62. That is bananas. That's crazy. Yeah, it will probably adjust once we get that opening bell. So just be on the lookout for that. If you let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla, Tesla hit this level. That's why I said these aren't for sure, but it did hit the 2618, and then that was it. And then it came down and took out the low. So what that does is that everything else from here, I can remove all these drawings. Now, we starting something new because it basically took this low out. Now, with that being said, Tesla could look to go once it took this low out. Let's see what happens the next. I would say the next level would be down right around what's that? 164.35. So we'll call it 165. So the next level down where we should see some support will be it's going to be right around 165. Then after that, it's off to 150. So let's see what happens in Tesla. But there are some things that you can get done in Tesla. It got an IV rank of 31.1. The next earnings doesn't come out until April 17th. So you can get something done in between there. Maybe come out 35 days. I like call spreads here. Um, it is gonna open up today. You maybe sell, you're not getting maybe sell to 190. That's if you're bearish. If you're not bearish, then if you're bullish, then that it's been beaten up. You can do something like an iron condor. You can do strangles. I would make them real wide if I was gonna do a strangle. Be out here 16 delta on the call side, maybe the 10 delta on the put side. You taking in about 375, and this is a slightly bearish strangle. It's not equal distance, so it's leaning a little bit to the downside. We got a pop of 79%, so I like that. So hey guys, like I said, today the market, I expect the market to drift a little higher again today. The bear is getting killed right now. I would not be bearish in this market. The majority of my trades, if I'm not doing nothing neutral, I will be bullish. Um, and with that, guys, I'm gonna be out. Peace.